Hi, my name is Andreas, and some say the perfect aircraft does not exist yet. So I decided to build it on my own. If you love aircraft, follow me, get it from dream to reality. Let's go! Hello my friends! The elevator forms are polished and already covered with a layer of wax and PVA, so we can finally build the molds for them today. The reason why we are starting with the elevators is that they are not too complicated and also small enough so that it won't be a problem in case we have to do it all over again. Tom is doing a last visual check of the forms. Don't be fooled by the matte look of the PVA, the surface is smooth like glass. We also did some progress on the engine inlets. The lofting is already 50% done, and we are also preparing the top surface of the adapter to receive a step where the symmetric part of the inlet will later be glued onto. There is also the side project with the study level implementation of the aircraft for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. Progress is extremely slow, but the fuselage, wings and canopy are already finished except for the textures. Most systems are already programmed up to the smallest detail, and also the flight model is using real-time fluid dynamics for enhanced realism. Also on the interior, the first switches got their function already assigned, and the G3X avionic also has half of the functionality configured to look like the real one. Once finished, the digital twin will be hard to distinguish from the real one. We started with a layer of black tooling gel coat, which provides an extra hard surface. This is followed by a layer of glass cloth, further followed by 4 layers of heavy glass mats. This gives the form the required strength and a thickness of about 3 mm. As of today, the forms are already finished, and I will build mock-up elevator surfaces over the course of the weekend. This video will be shorter than normal due to the missing footage. Write me in the comments if you would like to see footage from the status of the simulator model also in the next videos. As always, hit the like button if you haven't done it yet. Doesn't cost you a thing, but motivates me a lot. Have a nice time until next week. Fly safe, fly Horus.